Okay, today I received this Mr. Zerox robot in a bag, taken apart. Previous owner was trying to do some repairs to it apparently and couldn't get it back together. And that's basically because it was taken apart in the wrong way. But besides being in pieces, one of its main problems is that the feet, the legs, which might be why it was being taken apart in the first place, when everything is set up, weren't sitting flat. One would be kicked up while the other would be down. And that's always due to bent linkage. In this case, I don't know if we can get the light to see down in there. We see this, get it just right. You can see how that goes straight all the way down and connects onto the frame right there. This leg's okay. So that means the problem had to be with this leg. And this front linkage piece here, when it goes down, instead of going straight down, it's kind of loops, kind of S-loops around. So this is the leg foot that's going to have the problem. So what I'm going to have to do is pull the pin, slide the plastic leg off, get to this piece right here, which is this piece, straighten it back out, and put all that back together. Then we'll attempt to reassemble all of this. I've already kind of set the motor in this lower part of the frame. This lower part of the frame goes into this upper part of the frame, but also that has to go in there is this gear piece here and this little bitty spring right there, I believe, which actually I found jammed inside the motor. It's supposed to be on the end of this shaft, because this is your rotating lever cam for switching between walking and extending the guns out, like so. And since I don't edit videos, because it's way too time consuming and my poor old laptop computer just doesn't have the horsepower for it, this will be part 1 of the video. In part 2 of the video, I'll either have it completely together or at least the gearbox back together so we can take a look at that. So let's see how things go in part 2.